Today I am reviewing Kinupute Fanless Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Kinupute Fanless Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver desktop-level performance in a small form factor. Equipped with an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor, it offers 4 cores and 8 threads, with a base frequency of 2.8 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz. This ensures smooth multitasking whether you're working with office applications, running multimedia projects, or even managing industrial automation software. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the system comes ready for immediate use, providing a modern and secure operating environment suitable for both personal and business applications. With 32 GB of DDR4 memory and a 1TB NVMe SSD, this mini PC offers both speed and storage capacity to handle demanding workloads. The dual-channel memory can be upgraded to 64 GB, and the storage is expandable through M.2 SATA or a 2.5-inch SSD or HDD, giving users flexibility to customize the system according to their needs. Whether you are running multiple applications, editing videos, or hosting virtual machines, this system maintains excellent responsiveness. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics allows for smooth visuals on both single and dual monitor setups. With HDMI and VGA ports supporting 4K output, you can connect multiple displays, making it ideal for office setups, digital signage, or even home entertainment. The Mini PC also supports advanced wake functions such as Auto Power On, RDC Wake Up, and Wake On LAN, which are highly useful for remote management and automation. One of the standout features of this system is its fanless design. Encased in a fully enclosed metal chassis, the Kinupute Mini PC operates silently, while maintaining low power consumption and reliable cooling. Its dust-proof and vibration-resistant construction ensures stability even in challenging environments such as factories, banks, or industrial machinery setups. The all-solid-state motherboard enhances durability, allowing 24/7 operation without overheating or system failures. Connectivity is another strong point. The PC includes 4 USB 3.0 ports, 3 USB 2.0 ports, 2 COM RS-232 ports, HDMI, VGA, RJ45, and audio ports, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, providing high-speed wireless connections and compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. The Gigabit Ethernet ensures stable network performance for online education, remote work, or industrial applications. Measuring only 8.3 by 6.7 by 1.8 inches and weighing just 3.3 pounds, this mini PC can be mounted almost anywhere, on walls, inside machinery, media cabinets, or vehicles, making it perfect for compact or specialized setups. Despite its small size, it delivers robust performance, reliability, and flexibility, proving that mini PCs can truly replace traditional desktop systems in many environments. With a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support, users can feel confident in their investment. The combination of fanless cooling, powerful Intel processing, expandable memory and storage, and versatile connectivity makes the Kinupute Fanless Mini PC i7-1165G7 a top choice for anyone seeking a quiet, durable, and high-performing small form factor computer. Whether it's for business, multimedia, or industrial applications, this mini PC is designed to meet and exceed expectations.